To practice programming, we need to go to LeetCode.com. In this site, there are a lot of programming problems we will find which we can practice in various categories. In this site, we will find programming problems practicing. Before begin, we need to create an account first. Here, this is my account screen. It will show after login. And after login, we first need to go to the problem set. And here we will able to see various problems in various categories. Those are the basic categories. And if we expand it, we will get more categories. And within each categories, there are various programming problems which we can start practicing. Before getting it started, we can start practicing the easy problems to find out here. This is a problem name. This is the problem number, problem category. This is easy. This is medium. This is hard. So we have to begin. Filter out. This is the filter where we can filter out all the we can filter the problems in different categories. Here, status, difficulty, topic, or language. So we want to practice the problems which can be solved by C language only. Then I selected the C here. After selecting C, I want to also filter out it. Only I want to practice only the easy problem. So I selected the easy here. After applying the filter, I applied two filters. You can see again here. I, I filtered out the easy problem and the problem which can be done using only C programming language. I filtered out and there are 789 questions there. And now if I want to sort them using the acceptance frame, then I can do it by the acceptance. So if I sort the acceptance, the problems by acceptance, then here are those problems are accepted by above 90%. So those problems we can solve. Those are the easy problems and can be solved using C language. And so here another filter we can apply that. Those are the premium problems. That means to see those problems, we need to have a paid account in LeetCode. But as currently we do not have any paid account, we can apply another filter here. We can add filter and from this premium count, we can say that the problems I want to practice now, which is not premium. If I apply that filter, the premium problems have been gone. And now from these problems, those are the easy problems and having the highest acceptance claim. So now I am showing a problem. This is was number is 2235. To find out the problem, we can go to the problem list and put the number here. Then we will get the problem. Add to integer. So what this problem is saying? This problem says there is a number 1 is 12, number 2 is 5, and we should just simply add the number and sum them. So explanation, number is 12, number 2 is 5, and their sum is 17 is returned. So simply this is the predefined format. We must maintain this and we need to do the code within this predefined format. Here the by default C++ is selected, so we can change it by C. Right? We want to do it using the C. So the problem is very simple. Here this is the user defined function. So for now we can where the function name is sum and it will get two numbers, number 1 and number 2. And based on the description of this number, we will just add this to number and return them. So, we have to work within these functions. So to add them, we can take another integer which name is sum, and then we can do the addition. Sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2 and then return the sum. This should be fine for this problem. So once we're done with the code, we are adding these two numbers and keeping the result in sum and then returning the sum. So this if we take here the button is to test the test case, how many test case will work. So to test the solution, we have to run this here. And it will run against the test case. And there are two test case, and for the both test case, the problem run and it is being accepted. Now we have to see that there are many other test case in the server of LeetCode. So if the problem is fine for all the test cases or not, to see that we have to submit the solution. If we submit the solution, it will run against all the problems, all the other. There are 262 test cases, and among those 262, and the statistics will show that the problem took almost 0 milliseconds and it beats 100%. Here, there are many others for people show there are some solutions run for 3 milliseconds, 2 milliseconds, 1 millisecond, and this the problem run. It's showing that 0 millisecond, but it is not possible to run anything in 0 time. It should be less than 1 millisecond. So in this way, we can find out the easier problem in LeetCode and start practicing.